5 proven techniques to reduce muscle soreness after exercise.
Struggling with sore muscles after a tough workout? You're not alone. Here are 5 well-researched practical methods to help you recover faster, feel better, and keep making progress with your fitness routine.
Stay hydrated.
Drinking enough water helps flush out toxins and supports muscle repair. Proper hydration aids in reducing inflammation and can minimize the severity of muscle soreness. Aim to drink water before, during, and after your workouts. Electrolyte-rich drinks can also help replenish minerals lost through sweat.
Try gentle active recovery.
Light activities like walking, swimming, or cycling increase blood flow to your muscles without putting them under excessive strain. This enhanced circulation helps deliver nutrients your muscles need to repair and reduces the buildup of lactic acid, easing post-exercise stiffness.
Practice proper stretching.
Stretching after your workout can improve flexibility and promote muscle relaxation. Focus on slow, static stretches for each major muscle group you worked. This helps prevent tightness and may decrease the intensity of delayed onset muscle soreness.
Utilize foam rolling or massage.
The foam rolling or self-massage applies gentle pressure that helps release muscle tightness and break up knots. This form of self-myofascial release improves circulation, which aids the healing process and can significantly reduce soreness after exercise.
Prioritize rest and good nutrition.
Allowing your body adequate rest and fueling it with balanced nutrition is key for muscle recovery. Make sure to get enough sleep and consume a mix of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. These steps repair muscle fibers and prepare you for your next workout.